In this video, I'd like to show you how to speed up your video editing process by about 75%. So I recently retired and decided to make video editing my full-time career. I have a DIY channel as well as an outdoor activities channel. Since processing video at 4K takes a tremendous amount of time, I decided to upgrade my computer specifically for video editing. I got a new faster computer and the fastest graphics card I could actually afford. Anyway, the other factor you have to consider is your video software. I'm currently using an outstanding software called Shotcut. It's freeware. And it's exactly as the name implies, it's free software. I have found that it actually does better than my commercial software I used to own. Specifically a program called VideoPad from NCH, an Australian outfit. Every time Microsoft forced me to upgrade the operating system, these people made me rebuy the software. And that was back when they charged more than $70 a pop for it. In their last version, they said you had to have an internet connection. That's when I decided to look for something else. I mention all that to point out that Shotcut is actually better than many commercial softwares. However, there is one little trick that you need to know about. After talking to other creators, I found out that their videos burned considerably quicker than mine did. So I decided to do some research and figure out why. You can actually pull up a screen that shows how fast your CPU and your GPU, graphics processor unit, is operating. When I was burning a video, my CPU maxed out at a 99%, and my CPU cooling fan was really screaming. However, my graphics processor just sat there idle, doing nothing. So no wonder why it took me so long to burn a video. Here's what happened. The Shotcut program does not automatically detect your graphics processor. You need to tell it to go out and look for it, and you'll find that function on the export screen. Let's take a look at what difference the graphics processor can make. I burned a 25-minute video. It took 24 minutes to burn without the graphics card. After I enabled the graphics card, it took 6 minutes to burn. That's an increase in speed of 76%-ish. Okay, let me show you how to turn the graphics card on. Open up your export page. Click on this button right here. Put a check mark in it. Then click on this configure button. You'll get this pop-up screen. Click on the button that says Detect. Shotcut will go out and look for your graphics card, and it'll show you this message once it finds it. And that's it. That's all you have to do to activate your graphics card. There is one drawback with this program. Shotcut does not actually use the graphics card while you're editing the video. It only uses the graphics card while it's exporting. I'm hoping they fix that in their next upgrade. Just a quick run through to show you the actual mouse operation.